Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word suegro in depth. First, the definition. Suegro means the Spanish term for father-in-law or mother-in-law. Think of it simply as the parent of your spouse. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Suegro traces back to Latin socrus, meaning father-in-law or mother-in-law. Over time, it's been used by Spanish speakers to refer to a spouse's parents. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use suegro in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. My suegro visited us last weekend and brought delicious homemade food. Correct example 2. Her suegro always offers great advice during family dinners. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to suegro the recipe, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using suegro correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Suegro means the Spanish term for father-in-law or mother-in-law. It comes from Latin socrus, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with suegro down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.